So, you're having problems with stuff? Don't want to fix it? I'm the Backseat Gamer.
And this is 101.
So your device suddenly won't charge after you left them sitting somewhere for months without charging? Smart batteries like lithium polymer have safe voltage range of 3 to 4.2 volts. Some devices would not allow batteries to charge if the voltage goes below 3 volts. There is a way to jumpstart smart batteries. Since I have been building RC from buggy to helicopters, I have tools to do maintenance on my batteries. This is the Robe Power Peak A4 charger. It doubles as my voltage checker and battery balancer. Alternatively, you can get a 5-volt USB charger on Amazon. I will add links in the description below. Here is a replacement battery that has been in storage for so long, it won't power the device or even charge. Let's check how many volts are left. Reminder: find the proper polarity before charging, as it may cause the battery to short circuit. Right now, its voltage is below the charging limit. We'll start to charge it manually and see if we can increase the voltage above 3 volts. From 2.8 volts at 300 milliamps should be about 2 to 3 minutes. More than that is not advisable, as it can damage the battery further. Our goal is to increase the voltage above acceptable charging of the device. Using a 5-volt USB battery charger is the same. The blue LED indicates that the charger is powered on, and when the LED changes to red, it is now delivering charge to the battery. Again, do this for 2 to 3 minutes and then check the voltage. If successful, the device should be able to charge the battery normally again. Follow the steps of your device in battery calibration. This technique can also work with other rechargeable batteries like those of e-bikes, as long as the charger can supply the power for the battery. I hope this helps. Until next time.
Thank you for watching. For more content, hit that like button and subscribe.